Well, hello everyone. So this isn't exactly the video I expected to make about this time yesterday, but well, I'll just get right to the point. I got laid off from my job. Yes, as of yesterday. I am unemployed. Um, that being said, am I going to not look for a job and go into content creation full time after not having made a video in years? No. I'm also yeah, I am basically doing that. Um, it's more of a part-time gig. I'm not being a full-time content creator. I'm being more like, how can I put this? I'm going to have a lot of time on my hands, and I need to keep myself from going stir crazy. So, if you're watching this on my main channel, the Persephone66 channel, hey, welcome back. And if you could put welcome back down in the comments, that'd be nice, I guess. But I'm going to be on that channel talking about things that I'm very passionate about, or just things I like talking about. It may not exactly be news and politics like I used to do. It might be a little bit more of video games, Warhammer, just talking about whatever. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I do want to get y'all caught up on some changes that have happened to me over the last few years, but we'll get to that later. If you're watching this on my projects channel, my Transitional Metalworks channel, you're going to see me in this here garage working on projects. I've got a lot of things I got to get done. Got my welder here, one of my welders. Got a bunch of other stuff behind me. There's cars in here. There's my truck outside. I'm going to be going to town and working on stuff again when I'm not looking for a job. Because while I do like to take looking for a job very seriously, and I do treat it like it's a full-time job, the reality of that situation is there's going to be days where it's going to be like noon and I've got nothing to do, and I can come down here and work on a project, or I can just stay at my apartment and work on a video. You're still here, you're still listening, still pay attention. I'm posting this on both my channels, by the way, so like if you're not subscribed to one, maybe check it out. Look at some of my old videos that are on there, or not, because I'm a lot. If you're not subscribed to one, maybe you should, or I don't care. I mean, I do care, but it's a whatever. I'm gibbering like an idiot. But the reality is, or what I want to say, just quickly get everybody caught up. About a year and a half ago, I moved to Washington, and met some people that I've only talked to online, reconnected with some people who moved out of Florida long before I did, and met a whole slew of people up here who are just wonderful. Had a great job up until yesterday, and I'm okay right now. I'm actually in a lot better place, not just because I'm not in Florida anymore, but mentally, physically. You notice I've been working on my gender transition. I'm chubby as fuck. I'm still a lot more comfortable with being in front of a camera than I used to be. So yeah. Also getting a little more comfortable with speaking. So there's that too. So yeah, I think that's all I really. Like I said, if you're watching this on the Persephone66 channel, I'm gonna get back to talking about stuff on there, like video blogging, just talking about things I like to talk about. And if on the on the Transitional Metalworks channel, I'll link them both down below, because I'm going to post this on both channels. I think I said it before. On that channel, I'm going to be working on projects. I've got one video I've already shot for that. I've got another one I'm going to start shooting right after I'm done with this. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Share this with your friends. Let them know, hey, I'm back. So thank you. Love you much.